In Bangkok's backstreets, a family-run cart serves boat noodles that whisper Siam secrets. A chef slides thin rice noodles into rich broth, balancing aromatic spices with a squeeze of lime and a dash of beansprout crunch. Nearby, a makeshift skewer bar grills crispy Isaan-style sausages, their smoky heat traveling with fragrant lemongrass. At a quiet canal pier, a humble dessert stall pours sweet mango with coconut cream into tiny cups, a ritual shared by night owls and night markets. The episode closes with lanternlit alleys, where conversations mingle with sizzling pans and the city reveals its street food heartbeat.